When your portable air conditioner compressor won't turn on, systematic troubleshooting can help identify the problem. We'll walk through the essential checks before moving to component level diagnostics. First, verify the power supply. Check that your unit is plugged into a working electrical outlet. Examine the circuit breaker panel to ensure no breakers have tripped. Also, inspect the power cord for any visible damage like cuts or burns. Next, check your thermostat settings. Ensure the mode is set to cool, not heat or auto. The set temperature must be lower than the current room temperature for the compressor to activate. Verify the display is functioning and showing accurate readings. Clean air filters and coils are crucial for proper operation. Clogged filters restrict airflow, causing the compressor to overheat and shut down as a safety measure. Remove filters and clean them with mild soap and water. Use a soft brush or vacuum to gently clean the condenser and evaporator coils. Many portable air conditioners have a safety feature that prevents the compressor from starting when the water collection tank is full. Check if your unit has a full tank indicator light. If the tank is full, empty it completely before attempting to restart the unit. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the compressor issue, the problem likely lies with internal components that require more detailed inspection and testing. First, let's examine the capacitor, one of the most common failure points in AC compressors. A faulty capacitor prevents the compressor from starting properly. Use a multimeter to test the capacitor for continuity. A good capacitor will initially show continuity, then the reading should increase to infinity as it charges. Next, check the relay switches. These components send power to the compressor and can fail due to overheating or electrical surges. Look for signs of refrigerant leaks, which appear as oily residue around pipes and fittings. This is a clear indicator that professional service is needed. Understanding the basic wiring helps identify electrical issues. The compressor connects to the capacitor and relay through specific terminals. Call a certified technician if you find refrigerant leaks, if electrical components show extensive damage, or if the compressor still won't start after basic checks. Regular maintenance significantly extends your AC's lifespan. Clean filters monthly and keep coils free of debris to prevent compressor overload.